here. Today we're gonna be reviewing my subscribers theme pages. What? Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Reefs. Today we're gonna be reviewing my subscribers theme pages. I asked some of you guys that have DM'd me before on my Reefs YT Instagram page. Go follow that, by the way. I would really appreciate it. And I was asking them if I could review their theme page for this video. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video today. I got all the permissions. I'm not just gonna go roast around, and hopefully I can give some creative criticism, or maybe even find pages that are perfect already for today's video. Yo, my bed's not made. Okay, I'm gonna earn your like real quick, and I'm gonna go make my bed. Okay, guys, I have successfully made my bed. Ta-da. So for that, you guys have to leave a like on this video. Also, give me a rating 1 out of 10 in the comments below on how well I did. Now that I've made my bed, let's get right into it. Wait, hold up real quick. Hold on. Give me a second. You gotta hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications right now, because only 10% of people viewing my videos are subscribed. So I see you're watching this video right now and you're not subscribed. Turn it on real quick, turn on the bell notifications, and let's get straight into it. So shout out to everyone who's letting me review their account for this video. Shout out to you guys. Without you guys, we wouldn't have a video today. So everyone watching this video, make sure to go show them some love on their Instagram theme pages. First, we got TH Camp Spot. I think he was trying to say the camp spot, but you know, sometimes you can't find a great username for your account. Either way, great username. It just describes exactly what the content's about. That's first step to a great theme page. Okay, so in the bio, we got camping, nature, and hiking. Awesome, describing exactly what your theme page is about. We got little emojis to show other things what they're about. #1 source of daily nature posts. Follow us and let Mother Earth inspire you. Awesome, great so far. Love the bio. It's absolutely perfect. No complaints yet. This is exactly what you guys are going to be wanting to do when creating a theme page. You're going to want to captivate the new person who's going to want to follow you. And I think bios like this are the perfect way to captivate that audience. It's explaining exactly what the page is about. It's also targeting exactly the right audience for this theme page. Okay, first we're going to review their stories. Since they do actually have some stories put up, we'll go back a little bit. Okay, so they got a video of their post that they just made recently. Great already. And oh my god, okay, so we actually got some polls. This is perfect, guys. If you guys are not doing polls currently, they're super engagement boosted, and like they get so many views, and it's a great way to connect with new people that are on the explore page. If you guys didn't know, stories are also on the explore page, and people can find your content on the explore page as well. And doing polls right now is crazy for engagement, and it just is great. Right now, if you guys are not doing polls, start doing polls. And he has really good polls that are just targeted towards his audience, and this is perfect, to be honest. Let's take a look at some of his content. We got a recent video. Wow, this one's really cool. It's like, okay, so this is a really cool video about some wooden cabin where they just have a river access view. This is amazing. This is the kind of content that is super viral and that will go viral on Instagram. They've done a great job with picking out their content. I mean, all of their videos are just great and exactly what, if I was looking to do camping and like travel in nature, this is exactly the kind of content I would want to be following. Honestly, overall, 10 out of 10 theme page here. They have 500 posts, 22,000 followers. This page is going to grow really fast in the next few months, and they're just doing really well overall. They're not following too many people. I'm guessing by now their growth strategy is just posting and getting viral content. They're posting on Reels right now. Great job. That's also super engagement boosting, and it's like free reach right now to post on Reels. So to be honest, 10 out of 10 page right here. Okay, the next person is Survive the Wild, another camping page actually. Another camping page, similar niche, and we're gonna see how they compare. Now, first of all, to start, we got Survive the Wild. I think this is a great name. However, I do not like the I forgot what those are called. Those little underscore thingies. I don't know what they're called, but I don't really like those in names on Instagram. If you guys could figure out If this guy could figure out how to remove those and just have like a more cleaner survive the wild, maybe replace it with a number or just something else, maybe add another S in the beginning, something like that, because probably survive the wild is taken on Instagram as a username. But I mean, good name overall. Maybe just change it up, get rid of the underscore or whatever those things are called. I'm not even sure what they're called, to be honest. And let's look at his bio. Everything essential and survival of the wild, active shooters and survival equipment. What I want him to do is add emojis to the bio, space it out a little bit, and like, you know, make it a lot cleaner, make it like the last one. Now this is a good bio if you could just add the emojis and like space it out a little bit better and say a little bit more about the page. Besides that, pretty good so far. Okay, let's look at his story since he has some stories. Okay, he's got a very cool picture of a guy cooking meat in the wilderness on a grill. This is very cool. And then an axe. Now it is very important to be active on your theme pages. You know, posting stories is always great. Now if I were him, maybe just add polls. That's the only thing I would add. Those are two great images, two viral images. And he's doing well. I'm glad that he's posting stories and not just not posting stories, so that's good. Now we got content, and it's pretty good. It looks like he's just started the theme page. Let's go. 5 days ago, yes, as you guys can see, 5 days ago he started this theme page, and it's doing pretty well. You know, 83 likes, 170 likes. I mean, these are really cool images. I mean, this is exactly what I would be like liking and engaging with if I was into this type of content on Instagram. So as far as the things that he's posting, I would give it, you know, it's pretty good, you know, especially like look at this image, 354 likes. So he's getting pretty much dang near 100% engagement on this post. Most likely he's reached someone who hasn't been following him before on this post here. I don't have his analytics, but I'm just assuming that due to the amount of likes here. I mean, it's a viral image, to be honest. It looks very good. We got some medium rare steak and eggs. It looks great. Everything looks good. And yeah, he's definitely doing well with picking out images that are viral and that could go viral. So shout out to him for doing that. I'll give this page probably a 6 out of 10. There's just a few little things that you could do to make this page so much better and turn it into greatness. If I were you, I would just look at the page that we reviewed a second ago and kind of just like base your ideas off of that and kind of just, you know, structure your page like that. The other guy was a 10 out of 10. And another thing is he should add some videos. Videos are a great way to go viral on Instagram with your content. So add videos, add reels, and this account would be perfect. Okay, the next theme page we are going to be reviewing is Daily Moose Vibe. Love the name. It's very funny. I've never seen a theme page about mooses. I don't know what the plural for moose is. Maybe it's just moose. I don't know. Anyway, it's a page about mooses. Absolutely love it. I've never seen anything like this, so shout out to you for the idea. Daily Moose Vibes, maybe he's just really into mooses. I don't know the plural, okay? Maybe he's really into moose. And, okay, so first, great name. If you're gonna talk about moose on a theme page, this is a great name, so shout out to him for making the name. Great name for the theme page. And we got our bio, daily moose pictures and videos. Hashtag Daily Moose Vibe. So yeah, he's actually created a hashtag for his own theme page, which is a great idea actually. And yeah, 100% moose quality. All right, DM moose pictures, awesome. Goal 1,000 followers. Now this is actually a really good idea. I've never really thought about this, but having a goal in your bio is probably a great idea and encourages people who are coming across the page to actually want to follow and engage with the account. And so he also has the follow, and yeah, it's pointing directly to the follow button. So great so far. Let's view his story. Oh, awesome. He's actually got like the quizzes feature on his story. We got 3 different options. Let's just pick one. Oh wow, I was actually right. Anyway, shout out to him. He's actually using a feature that Instagram promotes. So he's doing it in all of the story. Okay, awesome. So he's doing it on all of his stories, and it's just great. I mean, those are great features to use. Instagram really likes when you use their new features, so he's actually probably getting an engagement boost just from posting with the quizzes feature. Just so you guys know, features like the poll feature and the quizzes, Instagram likes to promote those because you're actually using their new features. So he's probably getting more engagement just by doing that. So if you're not doing that, then you should be doing that. His page looks really good. I like his profile picture. And yeah, as far as the posts go, they're good posts. Like this is a good post, and the videos are nice. Oh, this is a very good post, actually. This is super viral. Actually, this is a great post. As you guys can see, this, I don't know how deep the river is, but it's just the moose is walking on the water. Anyway, that's a viral post right here. Here's some great high quality images. I'm not sure what, like, this is not a very good image, and this is kind of funny, I guess, but these kind of plain darkish images are not super great for going viral. As you guys can see, he only got 56 likes compared to normally he gets around 100. So definitely don't post pictures like this or pictures like this if you want to go viral. And like this is not super viral either. However, the content he was posting before this, very viral. I love all of these pictures. They're all great pictures. High quality pictures like this do well on Instagram. We got videos like this with a white moose, honestly super viral. And yeah, this is the kind of content you'd be looking for if I was, you know, in this niche and looking for videos about mooses. This is the kind of page I would want to come across, and this is the kind of content I would want to see on my explore page. So he's doing a good job at content, except for the past 3 pictures for some reason. I'm not sure why. But yeah, this guy's doing very good overall. I'll give him a 9 out of 10. He's very creative, and I like the content. The bio, having a goal of 1,000 followers is awesome. I think it's a great idea, and yeah, overall great theme page. Okay, so that was all the theme pages we have for today, guys. If you guys like this video and like the idea, make sure you guys comment down below saying that you love the video idea. If you don't, let me know down below as well. Maybe I'll do a part 2 on reviewing theme pages. I would love to. It was really fun, and I'm glad I got to help and give creative criticism to these theme pages to help them grow. And thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. Like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.